I'm going to be showing you how to reset the service intervals that come up on your car, so you get the little notifications here, the little on the display. So you might get this for brake pads or oil or service, that sort of thing. So to begin, you just want to leave your feet off any of the pedals, just insert the key here. Just going to want to insert that, if I can find it, and then wait till this just starts up on here, and then just press that button once. As you see there, it comes up with the service light, so that is well overdue, and then that's something else that just needs sorting. So you want to press the BC button here till it goes back to this bit here with the clock, and it looks like this. So all you're going to want to do is this little button down here that resets the trip. You're going to want to hold that, keep holding it until this next screen comes up in a moment. So you see that one there, and it goes into that, you can release. And then here you go, so these are the different options on here, and you can use this little wheel here to scroll through them. So you can scroll through them here, so you've got all the different ones, obviously the oil, and then this is the service, just the full service of the car, and it tells you the date when it next needs doing as well. So you see the oil end of this year for that one. So yeah, there we go. See the brakes, they've just been done recently, I've reset them, so they're all okay. So anyway, you're going to want to find the one that you want to reset. So I want to reset that one. We want to hold the BC button here, and then it'll come up with reset. Just keep holding it, there we go. And then it'll come up with the little clock, that means it's resetting. Wait for that to go off, done. So that is done now. So as you see there, we've got 20,000 miles left on that. Service light as well, just do the same, hold that down, keep holding it, hold it, till you get that comes up. And that should reset. There we go. So we've got 37,000 miles left on that now, until that needs checking again. So we'll just go back. You just want to press out the BC, goes back. I believe if you just scroll, and you're about to just turn that off and then turn it back on again. If this video was useful for you, if you did enjoy it, please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out my other content, and I'll see you in the next video.